Mindless Happy Place. I'd like to welcome you and thank you for stopping by. Please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing this video if you enjoyed the content. Today we're going to be doing all things with plastic Easter eggs for decor for our Easter decorations. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make garland with my Easter eggs. And I measured how long I wanted my garland to be. The first thing that I did was measure how long I wanted my garland to be. And now I'm simply going to, most Easter eggs have 2 holes on each side. So I cut 2 pieces of wire. And what I'm going to do is simply slip this in here to my first egg to get it started. Get it started with both pieces. Both pieces. Slip it through those 2 little holes that are already in your plastic eggs. Once I've done that, I'm going to put my plastic egg together like that. And then on the very end of this, on the other side, I'm going to tie a big knot so that it doesn't slip off to keep it in place. I'm just going to tie it several times just for security reasons. And then slide your egg down to where it is. And then when I'm done, I'll cut off that excess that's on the end there. So there you have it, all of my egg garland, all strung, resembling a wreath shape. And I'm going to be gluing eggs on here to make a wreath. I'm going to do one in the middle, one row in the middle, and then you'll see how I do it. If you had some Easter grass or some fake moss stuff, you could put it in the holes in between to cover up the holes in between, but I'm not going to do that today. And there you have it. Easy wreath for Easter. All you need is plastic eggs and a hot glue gun. Next, we're going to make an egg tree, and I have this foam, and all I'm going to do is glue the eggs onto it. Terrible with my hot glue. And there you have it. So next we're going to do a hanging Easter ark. And what I did is I found this frame at Walmart for $3 on clearance. And I'm just going to take out the middle. I'm going to take the middle completely out. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to cut some pieces of burlap, different lengths, to hang down. And I think I'm going to do about 7. I was going to tie them up here, and I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to tie them at the lengths I want them to be at. And once I get them tied on there, I'm just going to snip the backs of the excess that's hanging off. Turn it over, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Easter eggs and I'm going to hot glue them to the back. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm going to open them up, pull this through, tie a little knot, and let it hang. Yeah, I'm going to tie this ribbon on. I can't make up my mind. In the middle at the top. Maybe. Right in the middle. And then I am going to hot glue these onto either side. These flowers. And I will probably hot glue the ribbon down with it. Yeah, then the and we'll get hot glue down. And clean up all my excess hot glue because I'm a mess with the hot glue. And there you have it, hanging Easter eggs. I kind of like it. So there you have it. Next, I'm going to just make a simple little platter of Easter eggs and probably set some bunnies or something in it. But I have this garland that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cut it in half because I don't want this much garland. And it had all these little Easter eggs sticking off of it, and I just pulled them all off. So, and I'm going to cut this in half because I don't want that much. And I'm just going to, I got this platter at the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to lay this in here like so to fill it up. And then I think I'm going to get a bunny to sit in the middle of it. So hang on, I'm getting a bunny. I'm getting a bunny. Alright, I'm going to get this bunny to sit in the middle of it. And he's cute. He's a cute bunny. And then I'm just going to put Easter eggs on either side. Probably one of each of the colors that I have on either side. Just to sit out. Green and purple. And that just will sit on my shelf also. So that's super easy and super cute. We're going to attempt to do a floating cup. Now my biggest problem I have with this is when I put the cup up here and it floats on the spoon, and down here it won't, this isn't heavy enough down here. So I'm going to try to put a cup inside there to give it more weight and do it like that so that there's two cups. I'm going to try that and see if it works. So let's just put some hot glue around the bottom of my teacup. And hot glue it in the center. And now let's just do my spoon at just the top of my spoon, and I'm going to try to hot glue it to the bottom of my teacup. And hold it there for a minute, and then I'm going to take and hot glue back here. And I'm going to hot glue that in here. And we'll see if it will work or not. If it's strong enough to hold my bottom part of my saucer down to the ground. We'll see. And it's still not. I don't know how people do that. They must weight them down with something. You must have to weight it down with something. Huh. That is so odd. It doesn't weight down. Let me see if I can find something heavy to put in the bottom of this. Sandbag, possibly. Okay, So you have to find something heavy to put on your saucer at the bottom. And I'm going to use this kind of rock thing that I have for my garden that's just kind of was just laying around, but it's heavy. And I'm going to put it in the bottom of my saucer, and that will hold my saucer down. So you have to have a weight in the bottom. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to put some of my eggs, my plastic eggs, and make it look like they're coming out of here and down onto there. Okay. Now I got these little flowers. I'm just going to put them around the base. Is how you do a floating teapot. Hang on. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, last but not least, I have these two little hanging signs that I got at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. And they already have like little beads at the top. And what I'm going to do is I have these two little wallpapers, and I'm going to hot glue them into the center of pieces. So I'm going to just hot glue that in there. Onto there. These kind of Eastery wallpapers that I have. We'll do the same thing with this one. Then I'm going to put them back into my frames. There's that one. And there's that one. And this one, I'm going to put three little carrots in the middle that I got from the Dollar Tree. You get 6 for $1.25. I'm just going to do 3 into the center. And there you go. All Eastery up. This one, I'm going to put probably 3 eggs in the center. At the bottom. I'm just going to hot glue them up. I'm going to need another hot glue stick. Easy breezy. And there you go, all of my Easter egg crafting up on my fireplace mantle, making it all look really Eastery. So I will see you on the next video.